Lesson 1 discussion. So for lesson 1, we have letters A, long A, and number 5. Now, as a warm up and review, make sure that you are looking at your lesson 1 notes before proceeding. Now, before we begin, we have to review how to set up your writer and how to sit correctly. So please be reminded that posture is very important when learning to write. The initial side of the keyboard again refers to the left side, and the final side refers to the right side. The fingers are the small finger, ring finger, middle finger, the index finger, and the thumb. Now, we will practice the home position using both the left and right hands. So home position is initials STK, PWHR, and then finals FRPBLGTS. So we will strike them simultaneously. All right, ready, start. Let's have a practice. Home position, 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 home position. All right. Now, let's practice the vowels using the correct thumb. So vowels AO, we will be using our left thumb. For vowels EU, we will be using our right thumb. So let's have vowels AO and vowels EU. All right, let's practice. AO, 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 EU, 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 EU. Okay, let's try the vowels AO and EU. Okay, AOEU, AOEU. So you will depress them simultaneously. Again, AOEU, 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 AOEU. All right. So we just practice them from time to time. Okay. We write each letter with the right hand small finger. Right hand small finger. So we have here final D and final Z. Okay. So let's have a practice. Final D, final Z, final D, final Z, final DZ. So when I say final DZ, you press final D and Z simultaneously. So you will put your right hand, small or little finger on the crack. Final DZ, final DZ, final DZ, final D, final Z, final D, final Z, final DZ, final DZ, final DZ, final D, final Z, final D, final Z, final DZ, final D, final Z, final DZ, final dizzy, final dizzy, final dizzy, final D, final Z, final D, final Z, final dizzy, final D, final Z, final dizzy. All right. So we have here letters A and long A. For letter A or vowel A, with your fingers in the home position, you use your left thumb to depress the letter A quickly and sharply. So again, we will be using our left thumb to depress the letter A. Remember, it's quickly and sharply. Now, when looking at the keyboard chart, when learning the position, we will look at the keyboard chart when learning the positioning of each new letter. Okay, so it's very important that we have a keyboard chart printed, or we will look at the keyboard chart on our screen or in our laptop when we learn the positioning of each new letter. Now, we will depress each letter 3 times and then depress the home position. So remember, the home position is initials STK, PWHR, final FR, PB, LGTS, and they are all written together. So this is how we practice. So we will repeat the exercise as outlined. Okay. So let's practice the letter A first. All right. Dictation practice. Ready, start. A, A, A. Home position. 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 All right. So you learn the A position thoroughly. Whenever you see the letter A or hear the sound for A, you should automatically write the letter A with your left thumb. Now let's proceed to long A. It is important to distinguish a short A vowel sound or short vowel sound from a long vowel sound to write words as they are pronounced. So for example, the word rack, that's R-A-C-K. Rack has a short A sound, while the word rake R-A-K-E has a long A sound. So there is a difference. Rack and then rake. Rack uses short A, while rake uses long A. Generally, a long vowel contained in a word sounds like the vowel itself. Say the following words out loud. Do you hear the difference between short A and long A? For example, we have the word rat, short A. That's short A sound. Rate, that's long A sound. Another one, we have sat, so it's using short A. The other one, it's long A, sate. So sat is short A, sate is long A. So can you see or can you hear rather the difference between short A and long A? Now to write a long vowel, we will depress the vowel. We want to make them long together with the opposite vowels. So this is what we call as the double opposite rule. So again, to write a long vowel, we will depress the vowel we want to make long together with the two opposite vowels. For example, to write the long A, we will depress the A key with the left thumb together with the vowels E and U using your right thumb. So long A is vowels A plus vowels E and U. Vowel A rather, found on the left thumb or using your left thumb. Then vowels E and U using your right thumb. Okay, so we have a theory rule here. Write long vowels by depressing the vowel together with the double opposite vowels. Alright, so this is your first lesson in combining two or more letters to represent a single letter or sound. It is important that you use both the left and right thumbs to depress all letters at the same time. Remember to release the keys immediately. Alright, so let's take a look at the keyboard chart. We will practice the following vowels and vowel combinations. So at this time, you are not so much. You're practicing not so much for the sound as you are for the reach of the vowels and vowel combinations. Now let's start practicing or practice writing for the long A. All right, dictation practice. Ready? Start. Long A. Long A. Long A. Home position. 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 All right. Now let's practice writing A or the short A sound and long A sound. Combination of the two. Okay, dictation practice. Ready, start. A. 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 Home position. Long A. Long A. Long A. Home position. A. 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 Home position. Long A. long A, long A, home position, A, 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 home position, long A, long A, long A, home position, A, 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 home position, long A, long A, long A, home position, A, long 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 A. Alright? So please practice this drill until you can write the A and the long A without looking or thinking where your thumbs go. Now let's proceed to number 5. For number 5, numbers are written by using a combination of of a letter key along with the number bar. So the number bar is the long bar located on the top of the upper row of the keys. So for number 5, we will write number 5 with the left thumb and the left hand middle finger. So left thumb and left hand middle finger. We depress the A and or the vowel A and the number bar together at the same time. Reach up to depress the number bar with your middle finger. Practice the number 5 until it appears clearly in your notes. It is important to depress the number bar with the letter quickly, firmly, and accurately. If you depress the number bar alone, you get nothing. If you depress the A key alone, or the vowel A key, you get the letter A. However, if you depress the number bar and the A together, you get the number 5. So we'll make sure that we will depress simultaneously the number bar and the vowel or the letter A. Okay? So we will practice writing number 5. Alright? Dictation practice. Ready? Start. 5, 5, 5. Home position. 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 5. 5. 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 5. Home position. All right. Now let's practice writing letter A and number 5. All right. Dictation practice. Ready? Start. 5. A. 5. Home position. 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 All right. Now let's proceed to number 55. So this will be the last discussion for lesson 1, letter A, long A, and number 5. All right. To write the number 55, simply depress the 5 twice in a row. This is your first two-stroke line. Okay? So again, we will write number 55 by depressing number 5 twice in a row. Okay? So this is your first two-stroke line. Practice writing 55 by writing the 5 twice and returning to the home position. Do not return to the home position between each 5. So we will return home to the home position right after writing number 5 twice. Okay? So let's have a practice. Dictation practice. Ready, start. 55. Home position. 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 All right. Now let's practice writing letter A and number 55. Okay, dictation practice. Ready, start. 5. A. 5. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. 5. A. 5. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. 55. A. 55. Home position. 5. A. 5. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. A. 5. A. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. 55. A. 55. Home position. 5. A. 5. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. 5. A. 5. Home position. A. 55. A. Home position. 55. A. 55. Home position. Alright, that ends our lesson 1, letters A, long A, and number 5.